Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine error code E27 or F27. What does it mean and how to fix it? The E27 or F27 error code on a Bosch washing machine indicates that the pressure sensor that regulates the water in the drum has broken. This error code is similar to the F26 code and will usually mean the pressure sensor need to be replaced. Before replacing the sensor, you should check the thin pipe from pressure sensor for holes and it is not disconnected from both sides. The pressure sensor measures the amount of water in the drum and regulates the water flow in the machine. If the pressure sensor is faulty, the machine may not fill properly or may not drain properly, leading to the E27 or F27 error code. To fix the E27 or F27 error code, you can try these steps. 1. Check the water supply. Make sure that the water supply is turned on and there are no kinks or blockages in the water inlet. 2. Check the pressure sensor pipe. Look for holes or damages in the thin pipe that connects the pressure sensor to the drum. 3. Check the pressure sensor. Make sure that the pressure sensor is still connected to the pipe and drum. 4. Replace the pressure sensor. If the pressure sensor is faulty, you will need to replace it. This is a straightforward repair, but it may require some technical knowledge and tools. 5. Call a professional. If you are not comfortable doing the repair yourself, you can call a professional appliance repair to service and fix them. You can officially call them from the Bosch website. It is important to note that the E27 or F27 error code can also be caused by poor water flow into the machine. So it's worth checking that there is a good water supply and the solenoid valve is not stopping the water from coming in through the draw. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to replace the printed circuit board, that is PCB, which can be quite costly. In some cases, it may be more cost effective to replace the washing machine than to repair it.